Installing the CDI, coil, and spark plug. Install the CDI. Mount the CDI on the front down tube of the frame. Secure the CDI by screwing the nuts on the screws over the strap. Add thread lock to the screws. Evenly tighten the strap using the screwdriver and pliers or vise. Install the motor's spark plug. Use a spark plug wrench and screwdriver. Screw the spark plug into the motor head. Tighten the plug with the wrench. Securely press the spark plug boot onto the plug tip. Connect the CDI to the kill switch and motor magneto wires. The motor magneto wires connect to the CDI black to black, blue to blue. Tape up or cut off white wire if present. It's used for lamps but drains power. Connect the kill switch wires to the CDI, green to black, yellow to blue. Wrap and secure wire connections with black electrical tape. Next video, Part 10. Installing the clutch assembly.